Oh, buddy. Woo!
That's a big one.
That is a big one. Yeah.
Big one. We got one. Look at that.
Oh, man. All right, Ryder, you ready to go fishing? Little man is sleeping in the car. We've changed locations further down the bayou to some saltwater. I'm going to take a few of our live bluegill and see what we can catch on here. We'll just put some live bluegill on these lines with our bait runners and see what we can get. Hopefully a nice big redfish or gar, that would be awesome. And these bluegill. We'll put them out there and see what we can get. Ooh, way out there. Perfect. Alright, now let's go get our sleeping partner in crime. Hey, buddy. Look, we're getting a little fish bump. Yeah, look, buddy, we tried to check our bait, and there's a catfish. Oh, he's on the stinger. Cool. Yeah. Yeah, he got stuck on our little extra hook. That's cool. Sweet. Whoa, a big shrimp boat. You wave high? I don't know if he sees you. Oh, he did see you. Cool. Oh, another catfish. It's a bigger one, huh? Cool. These are called hardheads. Well, we don't want to keep these. People don't usually keep these.
But fishing guys can keep those.
Fishing guys can keep these, but we don't need to keep it. It's got stingers right there. We gotta be very careful, okay? That's called a hardhead.
threw him away.
All right, we threw him away. Let's see what we can get. Oh, buddy, we got something. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, he popped loose. He was big. Oh, man. Oh. We got something big on that one. That one may have been a big gar. Oh, man. Look, he popped it all off. Whoa. You what? You saw a fish way over there?
Yes.
Cool.
I think there was a catfish like this big.
Whoa, that big?
Yes.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh, we got one on here.
Is it a bigger one?
Don't step on the line. Let's see. We're gonna reel down. Okay, we got something. Oh, we got something. Oh, it's a bigger fish. I don't think it's as big as the last one, but it's a big fish. Let's see what we got. He's not thumping like a catfish. Oh, no, now he's thumping. It may be just a big catfish.
I think this is that one.
It's a big one.
Because something.
Some kind of something, huh?
Let me just throw it in.
I'm trying to reel it in. It's big. Oh, he's thumping. Did you want to try and reel? No? Okay. So we got to reel down and pick up. And reel down and pick up. And reel down and whoa. Where'd he go? Where is he going? Hey, you get out from under that dock. No, 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 don't go by the dock. Oh, he popped off too. Oh, Ryder. Man, we lost 2 big fish today. Oh, look at that. He pulled all of it right off.
But
Buddy.
there's still more. Still.
Well, there's still something on here, yeah. But man, we're 2 rigs down. 2 rigs down. Man, here, leave it there. Dang, buddy.
Game over.
Game over. Game over indeed. We'll turn this air pump off because this is our last piece of bait. Ooh, it's a big bluegill though, huh? This is a good last piece. Huh?
Game over.
Game over for him. Last piece and then game over, huh? Uh-huh. Oh, there's something on this one. He's going over our other reel. That's not good. Oh, he's stuck on our other one. Oh no. Let's go this way instead. See? Oh, there he goes underneath. All right, we fixed it. Woo. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, he's thumping like a catfish. Like a big catfish. Whoa.
Really good. Really good. Got real good.
Yeah, we're gonna lower our drag a little bit because we've lost 2 already.
So, you guys stronger one.
Wow, that's a Oh, Ryder. Oh, I lowered the drag, but it wasn't low enough. He popped off again. Oh, man. Oh. Dad messed up on that one. Sorry. That was a big fish. Another big fish. Oh, Dad was trying to lower his drag and thought he had it enough. And then that guy just popped it. Oh, well, that makes me wish we had more bait now, huh? We'll have to come back out. Oh, 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 oh. All right, one last chance, Ryder.
One last chance?
Yeah, let me get some low drag. Come on, take some drag. There we go. Whoa. Whoa. It's our last chance.
This is our last chance?
Last fish, last chance. Oh man, fishing's on fire today here. I just keep missing them. Let's see what we got. He's fighting. Here, I'll bend down low so you can see what's going on.
Could be a bigger one.
It's something big. Man. Should have been our fourth fish. Instead, we're trying to get our first one. I keep losing all my gear. Sorry, buddy. Oh no. Oh no, don't go. Don't go toward the dock. No, no, no. Force it this way. Okay. Okay. We're gonna dance over here, buddy, so he doesn't cut us. There we go. Oh, Ryder. We got a black drum, buddy. Oh, wow, Ryder.
Whoa. Yeah.
Watch the hole, watch the hole. Come over here.
A bobby.
Oh, buddy. Woo!
That's a big one.
That is a big one. Yeah.
Big one. We got one. Look at that.
Oh, man.
Oh, yeah.
Woo, are you so excited? Yeah, are you excited?
He's so big.
He is so big. Oh, man. This is gonna be hard because Dad doesn't have the net today. We just got our grippers. Whoa. Whoa.
That's a big one.
Whoa. Whoa, that's a big one.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see what Dad can do.
Dad can do.
Let's see what Dad can do. We're gonna try and get these fish grippers on him. Hopefully we can. Oh yeah, I think we got it.
Ew, but
Oh.
yeah, that's a big one I ever seen.
Ryder, we did it! Whoa.
That's the biggest one.
That is a big one, huh? Oh man, that is a big drum, buddy. Whoa.
You might eat it at home.
Oh, he's so big, we're gonna let him go. We're not gonna eat him. He's too big to eat. Okay.
How big is?
He is 24 pounds. Whoa, you hear his big drumming? You hear the big drumming he's making? Whoa. He's almost strong enough. Almost. Come on, Big Daddy. We want to make sure he's okay to swim, okay? Can he swim? Oh, there he goes. There he goes.
That was the biggest one I ever seen.
Was that awesome, buddy?
At least we catch one.
At least we caught one. Oh, this is father-son fishing at its best.
Sound of fun fishing. Subscribe, please.